Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you fix GCash option this feature does not support Android version 4x4 and lower problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on GCash. This feature does not support Android version 4x4 lower. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down. Now tap on software update. Now tap on download and install. My phone is already updated to the latest version. Update your phone to the latest version and try opening GCash again. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your GCash apps. Search bar, now search your GCash apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now open GCash and try logging in again. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thank you. Now select your country. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.